In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Spotify on your HomePod mini. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure that your HomePod is properly set up and connected to your iPhone before proceeding. After you ensure that everything is set up and connected, first, open up the Spotify app. Within the Spotify app, select any playlist, individual song, artist, podcast, or whatever you want to listen to, and start playing it on your phone. Now, simply click the devices icon that is displayed next to the song name or title, and select AirPlay or Bluetooth from the devices option. If your HomePod mini is properly connected to your device, after you select the devices option next to the song title, you will see AirPlay and the speaker listed under AirPlay devices. Simply select it and you will be able to listen to Spotify on your HomePod mini. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Spotify on your HomePod mini. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.